We're going to watch the two best backstroke female swimmers in history go head-to-head in two different races. Last year, they raced in the 50, 100, and 200 backstroke. This year, they will race again in the biggest swimming stage, the Olympics. Sometimes backstroke is overlooked. When we do polls, it is often the least popular. But these two swimmers have used backstroke to win the Swimmer of the Year award in 2019 and 2023, a feat usually dominated by freestylers. Regan Smith and Kaylee McKeown have created a rivalry that is transcending their favorite stroke. We already made a video about the 100 backstroke and how the nose clip might have made the difference in the outcome of the race. This time, we will focus on what made them the best female swimmer of the year and how they might win this title again in 2024. Regan Smith has been a game changer since age 17. Back in 2019, she was the first person to swim under 2:04, the 200 backstroke, and the first person to swim under 58 seconds, the 100 backstroke. She played a crucial role in the U.S. women's 4x100 medley relay, which also set a world record with a time of 3:50.40. 3 world records by the age of 17. Breaking multiple world records is a rare and significant achievement. Just 17 years old, Smith was one of the youngest top-tier competitors, which made her achievements even more remarkable. Her potential for future success was a major talking point. She demonstrated the ability to compete at the highest level despite her young age. Her underwater dolphin kicks, which are crucial in backstroke events, were among the best in the world. Normally, people are afraid of burning out in the 200 backstroke, so they save a little bit of energy for the end. Smith goes all out. She has a very high tempo that not many swimmers can maintain. Smith's world records and medals came at the most prestigious competitions, including the World Aquatic Championships. Excelling at such high-profile events set her apart from other swimmers who might perform well but not on the biggest stages. Smith's achievements inspire many young swimmers around the world. Her rise in the sport, combined with her humble and hardworking persona, made her a role model and a fresh face in competitive swimming. Last week, she posted the fastest time this year in the 100 backstroke. Park Stories made a documentary short about Regan Smith that I recommend watching after this video. Kaylee McKeown won Female Swimmer of the Year in 2023. Here's a breakdown of why she stood out. After working with her new coach, Michael Bohl, for a year, McKeown returned to her top form and continued to improve throughout 2023. McKeown shattered all 3 backstroke world records in 2023, including Regan Smith's 200 backstroke world record by 0.21 of a second with a time of 2:03.14. At Fukuoka World Championships, McKeown swept the backstroke events, winning the 50, the 100, and the 200, defeating her American rival in the process. She won Swimmer of the Year, outswimming the other possible female Swimmer of the Year, Regan Smith. No one in history had swum faster than 2:04 the 200 backstroke. These two have done it 4 times each. They swim the race very differently. Smith goes all out. McKeown builds up speed. Smith goes underwater longer than McKeown. McKeown moves her arms slower but pulls water harder. It is amazing to watch them swim. As of making of this video, Regan Smith is ranked second in 3 events, and she will probably swim the medley relay, which is the favorite to win. McKeown is ranked first in 3 events, and the Australian medley relay is the second favorite to win. These two swimmers might be the highlight of the female swimmers in Paris 2024. There's only one, even younger rising star who threatens to take away the spotlight off of these two. The only female swimmer who is better ranked than these two is Summer McIntosh. She is ranked first in 3 events and a total of 6 individual events in top 3. She's even ranked 5th in the 200 backstroke, but I doubt that she will swim this event with her already busy schedule. On paper, it looks like these 3 swimmers might win this year's Female Swimmer of the Year, but A lot of unexpected things might happen this summer. Although McIntosh is winning the rankings, the two backstrokers are very close behind, and there's always someone who seems to thrive under pressure and shines brighter at the Olympics. Who do you think will be the best female swimmer in Paris 2024? Do you think someone will break McKeown's world record in the 200 backstroke? If you want to know how to swim faster, I recommend watching this video. See you there. Swim fast.